welcome the winner of the 2018 Sub-Saharan Africa Commission. And it was a very competitive year, Dr. Olúrántí of Mountain Top University, where he's the chair of the Department of Music.
Thank you. I'm going to talk briefly about the piece, Ọmọlúàbí, which is going to be premiered by the Eagles shortly. Most often, when a composer goes about writing music, the thinking starts with what to do with rhythm, what to do with pitch, especially for pieces that are so inclined. And if it's a situation where text is involved, the initial materials, the motif, the scene, whatever, is subjected to the demands of the text. But it's not so in the case of Ọmọlúàbí, which we're about to listen to. Ọmọlúàbí is based on Yoruba text. Yoruba is the language of the Yoruba people of Southwest Nigeria, which is west of Africa, although it's spoken in other parts of the world, like Brazil as well. But the important thing about this language is the fact that it's musical, so it's tonal, just like all other African languages. It has its own inherent pitch and rhythm attributes. And that's why just a single word in Yoruba can have several meanings based on intonation. The whole language is based on a set of 3 speech level tones: low, medium, and high. Some refer to them as do, re, mi. And a single word, depending on how it's intoned, might mean different things. For example, OKO, if pronounced as Oko, means husband. If pronounced as Oko, means farm. If pronounced as Oko, it means stone. If pronounced as Oko, it means vehicle. So, essentially, it's possible to create music by a careful selection of different texts that carry different musical attributes. So Ọmọlúàbí, the compositional process for it is premised upon a meticulous selection of texts for their musicality. Ọmọlúàbí itself means a person of good and excellent character. The text for this are drawn from a pool of 6 Yoruba proverbs, which are thematically related. Yoruba proverbs, these are expressions of popular wisdom, truth, and system of value, culturally identifying Yorubas. This set of proverbs focus on the essence of good character and behavior. But more importantly is the fact that this proverb is carefully selected to offer a broad range of tonal and rhythmic possibilities so as to creatively impact the outcome of the compositional process. I'll take you through the 6 proverbs with their meanings. I'm going to do it in such a way that we can appreciate the relationship between the spoken text, which is already musical, taking it through a spirit survey, which is a talking drum, and then relate it to the excerpts in the song, which the boys are going to sing. And for us to have a visual understanding of how these texts are ordered to create a single structure, we have this just look at the screen, where you have each of the proverbs represented by a colored arc. And each colored arc starts where the proverb starts in the music. The timeline is from the left to the right as the music progresses. And each part connects the initial occurrence of the text to other appearances of the text. So I'll start with the very first proverb, for which you have this magenta colored arcs. Iwalesi. That means character is religion, meaning religion devoid of good character is worthless. Iwalesi. The second proverb, Iwa-lorisha. It means character is God. One's behavior determines one's attitude. Now you can see another colored art coming in there, showing where it comes within the whole mix. Iwa-lorisha. Now the third proverb is Iwa loba awure. Supplication is important. Good character even more. Iwa loba awure.
Iwa loba awure.
The next one is Kawibe, Kababe, Iyunioniye. That means a man is honorable when his word is his bond. Kawibe, Kababe, Iyunioniye. The next one, Iwarere ni esho eni. This means good conduct is an ornament. The value of a smile is in the whiteness of the teeth. Iwarere ni esho eni. Now to the title of the piece itself, Ọmọlúàbí, which means a person of good and excellent character. Ọmọlúàbí, the child begotten by the master or God of character. Ọmọlúàbí. And the last one, the long version of it says, Tí o bá jẹ́ ọ̀ṣàká, kúkú jẹ́ ọ̀ṣàká. Bí o bá jẹ́ òṣòkò, kúkú jẹ́ òṣòkò. Ọ̀ṣàká òṣòkò kò yẹn. It means be certain without doubt. Be uncertain without doubt. Being either here or there is undesirable. Ọ̀ṣàká òṣòkò kò yẹn rárá o. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the piece. Just in case you don't, please let me know. Thank you.